Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily change or customize the camera view in Asphalt Legends on your iOS or Android device. Asphalt Legends offers different camera angles that can completely change how you experience races, helping you find a view that's more comfortable, immersive, or competitive. So whether you prefer a closer look at your car, a wider view of the track, or simply want to try a different perspective, adjusting the camera view only takes a few moments. That's it. Let me show you how it's done the quick way. So first you have to launch the Asphalt Legends game on your device, and then you have to hit the settings icon located at the upper right corner of the screen. After that you have to tap on the game settings tab, and then you have to choose sound and display option. Then you have to head over to the display settings and hit the tiny arrow located right next to camera view. Now you have four options to choose from. Action camera. It is the most dynamic camera view in Asphalt Legends. It reacts to your speed, drifts, jumps, and collisions with cinematic movements that make races feel faster and more exciting. This option is perfect if you want a thrilling and immersive racing experience. Close camera. It positions the view nearer to your car, allowing you to see more vehicle details while racing. It creates a stronger sense of speed and makes you feel more connected to the action on the track. Players who enjoy a tighter racing perspective may prefer this camera mode. Steady camera. Steady camera provides a smoother and more stable view by reducing sudden camera movements. This makes it easier to focus on the road, upcoming turns, and obstacles without distractions. It offers a balanced experience between immersion and visibility. And finally, you have the fixed camera option. The fixed camera keeps the viewing angle consistent throughout the race with minimal movement. Because the camera remains predictable, it can help players better judge corners, traffic, and racing lines. This option is often preferred by players who prioritize precision and control. And finally, you have to choose the desired camera view depending on your needs, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily customize the camera view option in Asphalt Legends on iOS or Android device. Now, feel free to try each camera angle to see which one gives you the best visibility, control, and overall racing experience. And I'll catch you up in the next one.